Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to set default value for the URL field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. This is our Lightning org and here we are learn how to set default value for the URL field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon and click on that. After that, we can see that there are two options present. First one is setup and another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open and under this page we can see that two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open and under this page we can see that lots of objects are present, but we want to select the product object, so we enter the product in the search box and the product object comes at the top and select this product object. Our product page is open and under this page we can see that the detail related to the product and the left side of the product page section and left side of the product page there is a detail section, and under this section we can see that there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. The field and relationship page is open and under this page we can see that the fields which are already created, and we want to select the product website field which is a URL field. So click on this product website field. After clicking on the product website field page, the product website page is open and under this page we can see that the information related to the page which is present and we want to edit this page. So click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, the product website field comes into the edit mode and we can edit anything inside this page. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and under this page we can see that there is a general option section, and under this section we can see there is a default value field, and field this default value field, inside this field we can use the formula syntax to enclose text and pick list value API names in double quotes, including number without quote. Here we can enter the formula that produce the desired default text value for the custom object called product, and we can set the default value as https://salesforcefaqs.com, and after filling the default value we click on the save button. After clicking on the Save button, our custom field definition detail page is open and we can see that our default value is set and shown under the general options, and this default value is shown under the product website field. Now for showing the default value, we click on the app launcher and click enter the sales in the search box. Click on the search option, sales option. Our sales page is open and under this page we can see that lots of objects are present on the name bar, but we want to select the product object, so search the product under this all the objects and click on the product object. This is our product object. Our project products page is open, but we want to create the new record for the product, so click on the new button. The new product dialog box is open. Enter the product name and here we are entering the Salesforce product in the product name, and then we can see that the product website is already filled because we set this product website as a by default value, and then we give the product timing as 12:30 a.m. and click on the save button, and we can see that our Salesforce product is created and the product website is mentioned, which we are set as a by default value. Now move ahead and discuss how to set the default value for URL field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce Classic version. So click on the profile picture and click on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, and we come to our Salesforce Classic version, and under this page we can see that there is a username present, and under this username we can see that there is a setup option. Click on this option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and select the objects. Our custom objects page is open. Now select the project object. Here is the project object. Click on that. Our custom object project page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and here we can see that the custom fields and relationship section, and under this section there is a product document URL field with a URL data type is present. Click on this field. Now we want to edit this field. For editing, click on the edit button and we can see that our product project documentation URL field is in the edited mode. We can edit anything. Scroll to the bottom of the page. We can see that there is a general option section, and here we can set the default value. So for setting the default value, enter the default value, and here we are entering the default value as pythonguides.com, Python and machine learning training, and then click on the save button. Our default value is saved. Now we can check our by default value is set or not. So click on the project option, click on the drop down arrow that is present on the name bar, and select the projects option object, and under this object now our project record page is open. Now we want to create the new record, so click on the new button. The new project page is open. Now enter the project name, and here we are entering the project name as Salesforce project, and then select the project status as a planning development, and we can see that our project documentation URL is by default filled, and then select the task start time, and here we are giving the start time as 9, and then click on the save button. Our Salesforce project page is created. So with this, we have learned how to set default value for the URL field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.